Hello, my name is Rich Surratt. I'm a Senior Development Engineer at the Vishay Precision Group. I've put together a short demo that I'd like to share with you that shows a drastic difference in the survival rates of nichrome thin film resistors versus nichrome foil resistors in a high humidity environment. All nichrome resistors, foil or thin film, are sensitive to electrochemical corrosion or etching when they're used in a high humidity environment powered with a very low wattage. However, because a foil resistor is many times thicker than a thin film resistor, it will survive much longer. Let's say these two stacks of paper represent the relative thickness of the two resistor types. If the 5 pieces of paper on the left represent the resistive element thickness of a thin film resistor, then the 500 pieces of paper on my right represent the element thickness of a foil resistor. It's obvious that under similar conditions, the foil unit will take much longer to etch through and fail. Allow me to demonstrate. I have a test setup that will simultaneously power at 1 milliwatt and monitor an uncoated nichrome 1206 resistor in a high humidity environment. The test setup shows any delta R the resistor may exhibit during the test and parts per million deviation from its initial value, along with the actual test duration. The test involves pouring a few ounces of hot water into this insulated bottle, powering up the test unit, and suspending it in the bottle. Now let's test both an uncoated thin film and an uncoated foil resistor and see what happens. It only took 2 minutes and 13 seconds for the nichrome thin film element to etch through and fail. As you can see, even after 1 hour in the humidity test, the foil resistor is unaffected by the moisture. The difference between the two technologies is very obvious. Ultimately, the foil unit will also suffer some etching damage, but it will take many hours of continuous testing. For more information about the complete line of bulk metal foil resistors, go to the technical library on the Vishay Foil website. We also offer on-site technical seminars and demonstrations performed by our field design engineers. As we have just seen, because of the inherent robustness of the bulk metal foil element, Vishay foil resistors are capable of surviving in a high moisture environment much longer than nichrome thin film resistors.